Understanding, put in a nutshell, simplifying complex ideas. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that's often used in English conversations. Put in a nutshell. This phrase is a gem when it comes to expressing complex ideas in a simple and concise manner. Stick around as we delve into its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your daily conversations to sound more like a native speaker. The phrase, put in a nutshell, refers to the act of describing something in a very concise way. Summarizing a large amount of information or a complex idea into just a few words. Imagine taking a vast, complicated subject and compressing it into a tiny, easy-to-understand package. That's exactly what this expression is all about. It's like giving someone the essence of a story or explanation without all the details. The history of "put in a nutshell" traces back to ancient times. It is believed that the phrase originated from a story about the Roman historian Pliny the Elder, who mentioned that a version of Homer's epic poems was written so small that it could fit inside a walnut shell. This anecdote showcases the idea of condensing a large amount of information into a very small space, perfectly capturing the essence of this expression. Using "put in a nutshell" in your conversations is straightforward. It's best utilized when you need to summarize complex information or present an overview of a topic succinctly. Here are a few examples to help you grasp its usage. In academic settings, to put the theory in a nutshell, it proposes that human behavior is primarily driven by unconscious motives. In business meetings, putting our strategy in a nutshell, we aim to increase our market share by enhancing our digital presence. In everyday conversation, just to put it in a nutshell, I'm moving to New York for a new job opportunity. For English language learners, mastering phrases like "put in a nutshell" can greatly improve your conversational skills. Here are some tips to keep in mind. Practice makes perfect. Try using this phrase in your speaking or writing exercises. Listen for context. Pay attention to how native speakers use it in movies, shows, or real-life conversations. Context is key. Remember, this phrase is best used when summarizing complex ideas or information. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, "put in a nutshell," and how you can use it to communicate more effectively in English. It's a powerful tool to make your language concise and to the point, especially when dealing with complex topics. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. See you in the next video.